Hi y'all, it's Ann and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am doing a Wantable unboxing. It's my second one that I've done. I have Morgan as my stylist again, and she did a really good job last time. I'm hoping she'll do another really good job for me this time because I have not loved Wantable. It's not been one of my favorites. In case you don't know, Wantable is another one of those styling boxes. I will put all the information about Wantable in the description box below. Let's see what I got in my box this time. I'd already opened it because I thought I was filming and I was not filming, so this is take 2 of the unboxing. The first thing that I got for the first time ever, I got jewelry, and this is really, really pretty. This is a 16-inch Amazonite teardrop necklace in silver by Token Jeweler. And it looks like a little piece of turquoise, but I think it might be. But it's just got a really pretty delicate chain. I like this a lot. Very, very pretty. Next thing I have is a super, super soft t-shirt. And it is Lanelle Tee in Cream by Thread and Supply. It's got the V-neck, it's got the cuffed sleeves, and then the hem is a little bit longer in the back than in the front. I like it a lot. And I wish you could feel it because it is so soft. Next I have, this is the sleeveless pleat front solid knit top in dark sage by West Key. Again, I think it's super cute, sleeveless. It's got the V-neck with the little pleated part in front. Super soft, feels really good. I think it's really cute. Next I have, this is the printed woven smocking waist tank in Kelly. And I don't have anything like this. And I really like it. I think the colors are pretty. It's a Kelly green, looks like black, and then a light, like a baby blue. And then it's got the smocked waist down here with a ruffled bottom. And very cute, very cute. I hope that works. Next, I'm gonna try another black dress. This is the Reverie dress in black by Z Supply. And I think it's very cute. V-neck. It's got kind of a racer back. And then it's got the uneven hem, but it's very cute. And then next, we're gonna try jeans again. These are the Jagger Destructed Super Skinny Medium Wash by Vigos. I like the distressing. I just feel like for me, it needs to not be excessive because I think that's more for the younger girls. That's my opinion. And I've not gotten skinny ones with the distressing. And when they're a little bit bigger and looser and distressed, for me, it just didn't feel like me. It just felt a little too casual. I do not want anything that comes out of a hole in your jeans, like a knee or a pocket. And then it's got that right there, and then the back. So I think these are super cute, and I hope they work. And then last, we're gonna keep trying, and I'm so glad because I'm not giving up. Another pair of shorts. Again, I cannot find shorts that I like, and I think it has more to do with me than the shorts. But this looks like a 5 or maybe a 7-inch inseam. They are double roll short in Burnback by Kinsey, and I really hope I like them. And I guess, no, you can't unroll them, so they're stitched, but we'll see. There's a little bit of distressing on these as well, on the pockets and things. So I think these are very, very, very cute. Very, very cute. And I'll just cross my fingers that I think they're cute on me. That is it for this. Let's try them on and see what kind of luck I have. So I'll be right back. Okay, these are the double roll short in Burnback by Kinsey, and I like these shorts. I like the length, I like the cuff, I like the way they look, I like the way they fit, except they're too short in the stride for me. And so these are a 2, and maybe a 4 might work, but I would want them to fit the same way, just a little longer in the stride. The top is the Linnell Tea and Cream by Thread and Supply, and I love this top. I like the high-low. I like anything that covers my behind. It is so soft. It reminds me of the Soma Cool Nights gowns. And if you haven't tried those, you need to. They're pretty much all I sleep in. They are just so soft. But I will definitely keep this top. It's versatile and cute and feels good. All right. This is the sleeveless pleat front solid knit top in dark sage by West Key. I requested this, and I think it's really cute. I have no complaints. I just don't know that I love it, so I'm not sure if I will keep it. The jeans are the Jagger Deconstructed Super Skinny Medium Wash by Vigos. I like them a lot. I love the destruction. I just could not get them buttoned. I got them zipped, but I struggled with the button. So I'm not sure. I'll try them on again and see what I think. I'd really like to keep them. I really would like some cute jeans with a little distress. This is the printed woven smocking waist tank in Kelly by Weekend, and I did not like this on me all that much. It's a little too blousy with the smocked waist, and I just did not think it was flattering. I didn't even like the bottom of it, the way it kind of ruffled. I didn't like that either, and just not flattering, and I will not keep this. This is the Reverie dress in black by Z Supply. I love this. I think it's super cute. I think it's very versatile. Dress it up or down depending on your jewelry and your shoes. And boy, do my legs need some tanning lotion. Oh my goodness. Here's just with some little flats. I'm going to think really hard on this one. It reminds me of the jumpsuit that I had last week that I liked, but it was a jumpsuit, so I didn't consider it. But I'm considering this one. Okay, y'all, that's it for this Wantable unboxing. I thought it was a really good box. I really did. What I am considering, well, I will get the Linnell Tea in Cream. I just think it's really cute and really versatile. I'm really thinking about the skinny jeans as well, trying to decide. I'm gonna try those on and see. They were a little tight, and so I need to see if they're gonna be comfortable sitting in and walking around in, and so I'm going to try those. But those are the things I'm narrowing it down to. So let me know what you think. And oh, I was going to show you. I'm not going to get, I think this is so pretty, this necklace. I forgot about this. I think it's really pretty, but I am not going to keep it. I don't know if that's, I am not going to keep it. I don't need this, and it's $44, and so I'm gonna pass on this. But that really is it. And thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.